If your passion is video, but you don't have much knowledge of video editing, do not panic. Today, we're going to reveal how to turn your movies into real cinematic masterpieces, and without any previous experience to boot. How is that actually possible? Well, just thank the powerful and almost magical artificial intelligence in Microsoft Clipchamp. Hello and welcome back to the Expert Zone UK and I channel. I'm Hannah and I work with Microsoft. This is not the first time that we've talked about Clipchamp on this channel. In fact, check out our previous video for a complete beginner's tutorial on how to create a video in Clipchamp by clicking on the link in the description. I do admit I purposely avoided telling you about this new and incredible feature called Auto Compose. That may seem a little bit cruel, but trust me, it deserves its own dedicated video. So what actually is Auto Compose? Well, it's kind of what it says on the tin. With this feature, now you can create videos in Clipchamp with just a few clicks thanks to AI. It's ultra simple and has extraordinary results. So whatever your level of video editing knowledge, Clipchamp can help you turn your ideas into reality. Trust me, it's almost magic. If you want to know everything about Microsoft apps like the premium ones included in Microsoft 365, Expert Zone is the place to be. Here on this channel, you'll find a new video every week dedicated to all Microsoft products and services. I'm talking Windows, Surface, and even Xbox as well. So click that subscribe button and we'll make it worth your while. Okay, let's get started with Auto Compose. But exactly what kind of video can you create with Clipchamp's Auto Compose? Well, you'll be able to turn movies and photos into full videos, create video memories from your holiday snaps, create shorts from long videos to share on your social media, and even create slideshows. If you don't like the result that Auto Compose creates, you can even regenerate it as many times as you want. Okay, let's log in by heading to the app. You can also access this by browser if you want to by heading to app.clipchamp.com. The Auto Compose feature in Clipchamp is free to all users, but remember, to unlock more premium filters and effects to use in your videos, we recommend that you log in with your account that your Microsoft 365 family or personal subscription is active to. So, just launch Clipchamp from clipchamp.com, the mobile app or the PC app, and click Continue with Microsoft. Now, let's show you step by step how to actually use it. Do you see this item in the top right, Create a Video with AI? Well, press it to start your first magical video creation. Now that's the hardest part of the tutorial. No, seriously, this is all really easy to use. I'll even prove it. Start by giving your video a title, such as holiday pics, and drag and drop as many movies or pictures as you want to use. Click on Introduction and choose a style for your video by simply voting with a thumbs up or thumbs down from those given to you. There are loads of styles to choose from, so just go for the one that you think will match the aesthetic of the video that you're creating. Don't like this one? Click thumbs down and move on. Like this one though? Click the thumbs up. The more you vote, the more Clipchamp will be able to understand your preferences. If you just want to put all your faith in Clipchamp, however, just click on Choose For Me and Clipchamp will automatically choose a style. I told you it was easy. Now to finish off, choose the length of your video and the format, horizontal or vertical, and click Next. Choose the background music and the font while you preview your video from the window on the side. And there's your video. Not a fan of the result? Click Create a New Version to generate your video with new transitions, stickers, and music as many times as you like. Alright, I think I'm going to go with this one. Now I can totally delight all my friends and family with my holiday pictures. Click on Export to export your video, generate a link to share it, or upload it straight to your social networks. You can also click Edit in Timeline to switch to editing your project in Clipchamp as if you'd done it all yourself. There you have it, a simple and easy way to pull together a video in a pinch, letting the AI in Clipchamp do all the heavy lifting for you. Just the way I like it. But what do you think of Clipchamp and Auto Compose? Tell us what you think in the comments. And if you have any other questions that we haven't answered in this video, we are at your disposal to get them answered. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Now I'm going to see you in a future video. Bye!